Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be testing out the new Fenty Cheek Out cream bronzer and cream blushes. I believe they came out with 10 cream blushes and 6 cream contours. Okay, so I picked up the two last shades I want to share with you guys. Let me just show you guys what the cream contour looks like. It's like really beautiful. Let me just show you guys what the packaging looks like. It's like the same, it just has a gold on top of here. I'm not a big fan of cream contour because I feel like they're a little bit too drying. I like these one better, the Mocha Miami, because it's easier to blend. Now these are just to give you warmth to your face. This one is number 6, which is chocolate, and I think this one is going to look good on my skin. This one here is Toffee Tease, which is the darker shade. I just picked up both of them because I want you guys to see exactly what it looks like. And if you guys want to pick this up, it's on Sephora and the Fenty website. So let me just see exactly what this looks like. So this one is chocolate. Oh, it's pretty soft. Oh, it's dark. So I'll put that on my face here. Yeah, chocolate is dark. I shouldn't have picked up this one. This is gonna be too dark, and it's a little bit on the red side. You guys see? I probably still could use it, but not too much of it. So I think I'm gonna go with chocolate. So this one here is toffee, which don't look that bad when you blend it out. And this one here is chocolate. Like, honestly, on the website I thought that chocolate wouldn't be that dark. I'm not really a cream blush type of person. I always have powder. I picked up 4 of these, and this is the packaging. It's like really small. This reminds me of the Pat McGrath powder palette. Like, that one is really small, and I think these are like $20 for these. So this one here is Cool Berry, and I picked up those shades that you guys probably gonna like as well. And all of them comes with mirror, okay, which is really cool. Is Cool Berry. And we're just gonna try Cool Berry. Oh, it's so soft and beautiful. I want to put them on my face so you guys can see exactly how it looks. Okay, so this is Cool Berry. So that one here is Rose Latte, which I think that's the last shade on the website. Oh yes, and that shade reminds me of that Raisin blush from MAC. It looks so like it. And this is it. I like Rose Latte. It looks really nice. Summertime Wine. That's the shade that I actually wanted to get because it looks so beautiful on the model. Ooh, look at the shade. Yes. Right here. And the next one we have Quagle Blush. And that is the one I actually wanted to get because it's like so beautiful. And I could use it for whatever I want. So this is what it looks like. I just want to like blend it out a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so these are the 4 shades that I have. So I'm just going to be using my primer. This primer here is from MAC. I'm just gonna take a flathead brush and we're gonna try out chocolate. The brush I'm using, this is from Sedona Lace, and this is the 305 brush. Here, I'm gonna put a little bit here so you guys can see. That is the much that you need. And also I'm just gonna put that right here. And I'm also gonna use a brush with this because I want to see exactly how this is gonna blend. And this brush here is from ELF, and this is a blending brush. Let's just see if it blends out really fast, which it does. You can turn on this side so you guys could see. I actually do like chocolate a little bit much better. The reviews that I've been seeing lately is the people that be a little bit darker than myself, they use chocolate as well. So if you're gonna pick this up, chocolate is gonna work for you. So this is what it looks like, and you could use whatever you have, but I'm gonna set it with Mocha Miami. It's a little bit more on the warm side. This looks like it's on the cool side. I'm talking about the cream bronzer. It's not a bad shade. I'm just not used to cream bronzers, and I'm gonna take the same brush. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm still gonna blend it out a little bit and sharpen the bottom part so it will look a little bit much better. As you guys know, I don't contour my nose, I just contour around my face. So we're gonna go in with Rose Latte. This one is like my favorite shade to use. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, pat it onto my skin first. You don't want to like brush it like this. You just want to pat it into the skin. It works a little bit much better when you press it in and actually blend it at the same time. So this is what Rose Latte looks like, which I think is a really nice cool tone shade. You guys know that I really don't use a lot of blushes, but I think I'm liking the blushes a little bit more better than the bronzers. So this one is my favorite color, so that's the one I'm gonna use. So this is what it looks like. I really do like this shade. Let's just see how Quagle Blush looks like. I think it's gonna look more like a highlighter. It looks like he has some little shimmer stuff in there. Just put it over here. I'm gonna use it as a highlight, and I'll show you. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. You see, it's not that loud, so you actually won't see it. I put in a little bit more on the lips so you guys could see the color, how it looks on the lips like that. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. And also, I'm gonna take this, my cognac matchstick, and I'm just gonna take that and put it on my lips. And I'm also gonna take some of the blush, and I'm gonna take a little bit and put in the middle here. So this is how everything looks. I really do love the products. I think that the blushes are very, very nice blushes. Now, if you're not a blush type of person like myself, especially cream, you could use it on the eyes as well, because I've seen a few people using it on the eyes. I'm not just going to use this as a blush. I'm going to use it for everything else that I want to do. I'm not a big fan of cream bronzer, but I'm still going to use it. It blends out really fast. That's one thing I like about it. As you guys see, like, it really nice on the skin. I thought it would have been a little bit on the warm side, but it's more on the cool side, so it's a little bit like darker than what I'm used to. If you guys have a regular bronzer, you could set on top of it and it looks way much better. So I do like the products. I'm just not a cream type of girl, but I still wanted to support this brand and give it a try to see how it works on my skin. Now, everything that I've used is gonna be in the description box below. If you guys want to try out these bronzers, I would suggest you get chocolate. If you guys already have, what is it, the Mocha Miami, which is a beautiful shade, I actually used that on my lid, and then I went in with Cognac Candy, which is the highlighter. I took a little bit and put it on top of that as well, because that's what I like to do anyway. You guys gonna really like the blushes. They are really, really nice and creamy. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these products, if you guys gonna pick up any of these products. Until next time, guys, see you in my next video. Bye.